In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do lookups and sumifs in Airtable. By the end, you'll know how to pull data from related records and create a clear conditional total that behaves like a sumif-style calculation. First, open Airtable in your browser and sign in. From your workspace, click into the base you want to work in. We'll start by creating a lookup field, which pulls values from linked records so you can reference them in the current table. At the right edge of your table, click the plus sign to add a new field and search for lookup. Choose lookup as the field type. In the configuration panel, you'll see two key choices. First, pick the linked record field that connects this table to another one. This is the relationship Airtable needs to reach across tables. Next, choose which field from the linked table you want to bring back, often a numeric field like amount, cost, or hours. Confirm your selections, then click Create. You should now see values appear in the new lookup column for any records that have linked items. Now let's build the sumif style result with a formula. Click the plus sign again to add another field and select Formula. In the formula editor, you can either type your own expression or use Airtable's AI assistant to generate one for you. The idea is simple. Reference your lookup field and apply conditions so only the values you care about are included. If you prefer to write it yourself, think in terms of conditional math. For example, you might create something like if status equal approved amount from lookup 0, and then extend it by adding more conditions or combining multiple if statements. If your lookup returns text numbers, wrap them with value to convert them to real numbers before adding. You can also nest conditions, use and or for multiple criteria, and handle blanks with if are field 0, so empty values don't break the total. If you'd like help, click the AI option in the formula editor and describe your goal in plain language, such as sum the looked up amounts only when category is travel and status is approved. Review the suggestion it provides, make any tweaks you need, and apply it. When you're done, name the formula field clearly, set the formatting to a number or currency as appropriate, and save. If the results don't look right, double-check that your linked records are set correctly and that the fields you referenced are numeric. You can always reopen the configuration to adjust the lookup or refine your formula as your needs evolve.